carrot, cucumber and onion. So we will add all of them because we have to add fibers to it also. So it is a very healthy salad for weight loss, and you can have it in a lunch or a dinner or in a breakfast. You can add it in any meal. It's a very healthy salad and filling salad too, and fibrous also. And last but not least, we will add some tomatoes also. Now we will add some lemon juice and black pepper, which will enhance the taste of the salad. And we will add some you can say pinch of black salt, which is actually good in salad. We will not use any white salt here. Then after that we will use chaat masala, and you can add chaat masala as per your taste, but I would suggest add in a moderate quantity, not too much, because the more you enjoy the vegetables as in their taste as they have in a raw form, it will helps you a lot. It will give you maximum nutrients. And this is very colorful salad, so you will get all the nutrients from it, all the vitamins, minerals, proteins, and even I have added the fat also, like desi ghee. So it is a very rich salad. It is very tasty also, no compromise of taste. So we will at last we will add some coriander and some mint leaves. So I have mixed together, and we will add them just to enhance their taste more. And then last but not least, chia seed, a rich source of omega-3, so we will add that. Just sprinkle some seeds on the salad and just give it a mix, good mix to the salad, and your protein rich power pack salad is ready. And serve it and enjoy your tasty meal, guilt free meal of course, and filling power pack meals which will keep you full for a long time. And believe me, it's very tasty salad. And enjoy with your family. Thank you so much. Bye bye.